Every spring, opening the pool doesn't just mark the start of a new season, it often comes with a list of expenses. The opening clean, routine maintenance, and service visits. That all adds up month after month. Well, not anymore. When the season opens, the bills don't have to. Meet the iGarden K60 pool cleaner. This thing is easy to use, it's durable, and it's a smart investment. This is a full coverage pool cleaner. It cleans your floors, your walls, your water line, designed for complete whole pool clean. It will even climb up your steps with ease. It has 3D S-Path navigation. This means more organized movement for better energy efficiency. It systematically covers the entire pool floor with fewer missed spots, with up to 6 hours run time per charge. Today I have the iGarden K-Series robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's all included. What? This thing is wrapped in a blanket. Talk about attention to detail. They didn't want you to get a scratch on this robot. That is awesome. That thing looks like a sports car. First impression, this thing looks like the baddest pool robotic cleaner I've ever seen, and I've tested a lot. The visuals on this thing is a 10 out of 10. If it performs half as good as it looks, we got a winner. So I just got everything unpacked, and it comes with a hook for easy retrieval. You can get it out the pool really easily. It comes with a power bank, an instruction manual, and a quick start guide. Alright, let's get this thing charged up and in the pool. To charge the unit, you just plug your power supply right here on the back. It's got this nice rubber sealed gasket. You just pull that out and plug in your charger. Your little battery indicator light right here lets you know how much charge is on the unit. So to power this unit on, it's got a switch on the bottom. You just turn this to the on position. On the front, it features a full touchscreen interface. You just long press the power button to turn the unit on. On the side, you got your timer. You can set it to run for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and 2 hour runtime. Then you have your turbo button. You can turn this off and on, and this unleashes max suction for intense cleaning. And then you have your AI timer. You can set this to clean your pool every 24, 48, or 72 hours. And it will automatically clean your pool every 3 days for 1 hour. That means you can enjoy 10 days of autonomous cleaning. On the top, you got your cleaning mode, and you can clean your walls, your floors, or your walls and water line. 3 different modes. And right here is your battery indicator level. And if you have any problems with your unit, an error code will show up right down here, right below the AI timer. On the front of the unit, you got your 2 infrared sensors. On the side, you got your side sensor, and there's one on the other side as well. On the side, it's also got a water sensor. Up front, you got 2 large cleaning brushes. On the back side, you got your water outlet. Underneath, you got your suction port and your scraper. And also your on and off switch is your lock switch. And your large track on both sides. If the unit has any error codes, it will come up right here. You can also connect this pool cleaner to their app, but first you want to put it in pairing mode. To do that, you just long press the cleaning mode button till you hear a beep, then you know it's ready to go. To connect this to the app is super straightforward. You just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll be connected in no time. So once inside the app, you can turn your turbo button on and off. You can also change from full coverage to floor only, to wall and floor, to wall and water line, just like on the pool cleaner. You can also adjust your working time and your days you want to clean. I got mine set to 3 days. You will definitely have peace of mind with this pool cleaner, knowing it's going to take care of all your pool cleaning needs and enjoy more time with friends and family and relaxing by the poolside. It also comes with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Comes included with this hook. You just hook the robot and pull it straight out of the pool. All right, let's check out all the debris it picked up. As you can see, it picked up leaves and sand. All right, let's go get this cleaned out and put her back in. So it's super simple to clean this out. All you do is get a hose pipe. Just like new. And just like that, I got a clean pool. And the best thing about it is, I didn't have to lift a finger. The robot did it all. I highly recommend you check this out. The link down below in the description, or you can go search iGarden Pool Vacuum on Amazon. See you in the next video.